Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Muslim style mutton curry with veggies. Oil 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, mutton 250 grams, salt as per taste, turmeric half tablespoon, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin and methi powder 1 half tablespoon. Mix everything. Tomato chopped half cup. Give a nice mix. Now add half cup of water. Cook on pressure cooker mode for 3 whistles. Mutton is tender. Now add chopped mutton is tender. Now big slices like this. Drumstick 1. Coconut milk 1/4 cup. Tamarind 1/4 cup. Pressure cook for 2 whistles. Yummy mutton curry is ready to serve. Enjoy with rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.